Good morning, dear students. Welcome to HGK class. So today we are going to enhance our knowledge by talking about some very great authors who have given a great contribution, who have written very famous and very popular books or novels. So some pictures are also given here. So these pictures will also help us to guess about which author they are talking about. Author means the writer, okay? So in the first picture you all can see this man. He is an Indian writer of British origin who lives at a place near Missouri. His most famous books written for children include Angry River and The Hidden Pool. Okay, so he is an Indian writer, okay, right? He is still with us, and he born on 19th May 1934, and the very famous books that he had written, two of them are Angry River and The Hidden Pool. So writer name is Ruskin Bond, Mr. Ruskin Bond. Okay. Second one, sorry. He is considered as the greatest writer of English language ever. He wrote many poems and plays including Hamlet, Merchant of Venice, Romeo and Juliet, and many more. So I hope this one you all can guess easily because all these plays, and he has also written very great poems. So, and the very famous play Romeo and Juliet. So he was um, an writer, okay, a poet and an actor too. Okay, he born on April 1564 and died on 23rd of April 1660. Okay, so I hope you all have guessed, and the writer name is Mr. William Shakespeare. Okay, third is he was a great writer of English language, most notable for his work is the book Gulliver Travels. So if you all remember that we have talked about this character in previous exercise also, in which we have discussed about some very famous literary characters. So if you all remember that we discussed about Gulliver, who was a giant in one city and a dwarf in another. So this famous book is written by Mr. Jonathan Swift. Okay, he was a writer and poet as well, born on 30 November 1667, and he died on 19th of October 1745. In fourth picture, this person, he was the Scottish writer famous for his book Treasure Island and Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. So he was uh, one of the very great authors or writers of that time, and his famous books are Treasure Island and Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Okay, so he is Mr. R. L. Stevenson, whose full name is Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, as they have mentioned that a very famous book that he have written is Treasure Island, and one more is Kidnapped. Okay, he born on 13 November 1850 and died on 3rd December 1894. Okay, in fifth one, he was an English author who created the famous spy character James Bond. All have heard about it, right? है ना? So author name is Ian Fleming. Full name is Ian Lancaster Fleming, who was an who was a British writer, journalist, and a naval intelligence officer also. Okay, he born on 18th of May 1908 and died on 12th August 1964. Last is he was an English writer who wrote the epic novel The Lord of Rings in 3 volumes. Okay, so he is Mr. J.R.R. Tolkien, whose full name is John Ronald Reuel Tolkien, who was an English writer, poet, okay, and very famous novel is The Lord of Rings, which has 3 volumes, which comes in 3 volumes. Okay, so I hope you all have understood about all these greatest authors. Okay, and in Know to Grow part, one more author's name is mentioned here. Okay, so see, do one thing ki in each exercise we have Know to Grow portion, so just go through that portion. Okay, it will also be a part of your exam. Okay, so complete this exercise. Okay, in next exercise we have mixed bag, so it's like a test paper. Okay, so which have mixed questions from all the exercise we have covered in previous pages or discussed in previous classes. Okay, so this part you all will complete yourself. See you all in the next class. Bye bye, take care of yourselves.